Today I will take you to our production workshop where our products are strictly produced. Here is where we come to the meter cover and base. This process is welding base. Then we come to our weld winding. Then we come to our high spring soldering. Then we come to our balancing. We make the balance checking in the horizontal and vertical directions, which is convenient for the needs of customers from different installation angles. Then we come to our adjusting. We adjust the scale required by different ranges and accuracy. In the complex process, we also have at least 2 quality inspections to ensure the quality of the products. Here is our initial inspection. Here is our re-inspection. After the test is completed, it can be packaged for shipping.